Hello everyone, Oregon Motorcycle back today with another episode. We're going on a ride today, this evening. It is Thursday evening. I mentioned this ride in one of my other videos about these tires that I have that are brand new. If you guys haven't seen that video, check it out. It's right up here in the top. I've got brand new Dunlop TrailMax Mission tires on. So we're gonna get them scrubbed in this evening and find out how they do. Find out how they do on the twisties. I know some of you guys are curious how well that a tire like this, it's a 50-50 tire, you know, dual sport tire. And I think a lot of people are concerned with road performance and that kind of thing. So this evening I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you what kind of road performance they have. So I might be taking it a little easy. I mean, they're brand new. I mean, they feel good already. I've got about 25 miles on them, so I mean, should be good. So this is the meetup spot for the Thursday east side rides, but those are not going on right now. So
you were hating on the Chinkos.
Yeah, those are trash. They're trash. They're trash, period, dude.
Did you just throw them away? Just like you were on them last
no.
night, or not last night, you were on them Sunday, right?
Yeah. I got them for sale right now, $100. We'll see if somebody buys them. Are you in pairing mode? Oh, duh.
Public mode.
Alright, I hear you now.
There you go.
I forgot you had the 30K. I'm so used to everybody not having the 30K.
Really?
Yeah.
It's been a while. It's been a while.
Yeah? I got brand spanking new tires on here.
I see that. Sexy.
Yeah. Damn, this guy in this dually's hauling it, ripping it, dude. He won't let us pass, and he's smiling and oh, good times already. We haven't even got a mile into it. He's totally ripping on this dually, dude. Does not want us to pass. All right, guys, so we're out here ripping it up in Oregon City. I think we're going to be heading south. Oh, and I forgot to start my app. Oh well, we got a good mix of bikes again. Behind me I have a ZX6R. In front of me there's a ZX250 with some crazy knobbies on it. Got the SV650 in front. We got a 2019 Triumph Street Triple back there. If you guys haven't seen my review video of that, check it out. It's up here in the top right here. Awesome machine. There's a Kawasaki ZX6R back there. There's a Suzuki Gixxer 750 back there. My new tires feel good though. I'm not.
That's for the fast group. As long as nobody crashes.
Yeah.
Don't. My favorite on my street triple.
Yeah. Ooh, a little bit of slippage coming out the back there. Alright, got into that tight stuff there and did feel the bike slipping a little bit through there. I don't know, I don't think I got the tires out, but I did feel the ABS kick in for a little bit on one of the stops. And then I was gunning it coming out of a curve in second, and I could feel the ass end scooch a little bit, some of that really tight stuff. So, but very predictable. Wasn't an uneasy feeling at all. Man, a fucking sun, killing it. Oh, shoot. Dirt in the road right there, be careful. It's like a roller coaster. Thank you. There's the Molalla River. We are upriver, somewhere out of Molalla. Bunch of people up here, bunch of good people. People down there swimming in this ice cold water. So it's really nice out here. Out of here. Anyways, we're headed back down the Molalla River. Come up here to chill. The weather's a lot cooler up here. And so yeah, we're headed back down. That was a good little scrub in on the new Dunlop TrailMax Mission tires on the 2019 CB500X. Doing pretty good. I'm liking them so far. There was a couple times where the back was getting a little slippery, but I don't really know if there was like gravel or what on the road. The jet in front of me, he was riding behind me and he's seen it all. He's seen me like a couple times slide out, you know, not major or whatever, but enough to, you know, noticeable. He was saying there's gravel on the road and stuff, and or sand or whatever. So the roads were pretty dirty, so you know. But you know, this front tire, man, it feels like it's Velcro to the ground. So I'm really liking the front tire on this bike. I mean, it is planted. So I thank you guys for hanging out on this ride. This is I've talked to you about this before in some of my other videos. This is like the remnants right here of the Eastsiders. The usual guy that does the ride, Lee, he hasn't been doing the ride right now, and so we're kind of just doing this on our own type of deal thing, you know, kind of doing our own thing right now. But it is a Thursday, and we're taking like a lot of the same routes, a lot of the same roads that the Thursday ride typically takes. So it's a Thursday East Sider ride, and then on Wednesdays it's the West Siders. So I almost went last night on the West Side ride, but I was getting these tires installed. So yeah, if you guys are still watching, why don't you do me a favor and hit that thumbs up, give the video a big fat like, and if you guys are not subscribed, why don't you do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. You know, we're trying to get to 3,000 subscribers by the end of 2020. So until next time, folks, Oregon Motorcycle.